Welcome to Forex Blaster, where we help you navigate the exciting world of Forex trading. In today's video, we'll be discussing the fundamental rules for Forex trading success that every trader should know, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. These rules will serve as a solid foundation for your trading journey. So, let's dive right in. Rule 1. Education. Rule number 1 is education. Forex trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill that requires continuous learning. Take the time to educate yourself about the Forex market, technical and fundamental analysis, and different trading strategies. Knowledge is your greatest asset in this game. Rule 2. Risk management. Rule number 2 is risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and ensure your risk per trade is within a comfortable range. This way, you can survive losing streaks and stay in the game. Rule 3. Discipline. Rule number 3 is discipline. Stick to your trading plan, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Greed and fear can lead to impulsive actions that often result in losses. Stay disciplined and follow your strategy religiously. Rule 4. Patience. Rule number 4 is patience. Forex trading is not about making quick profits every day. It's about consistency over time. Be patient and don't chase after every opportunity. Wait for high-probability setups that align with your strategy. Rule 5. Risk-reward ratio. Rule number 5 is the risk-reward ratio. Before entering a trade, always assess the potential reward against the risk you're taking. Aim for trades where the potential reward outweighs the risk, typically with a favorable risk-reward ratio of at least 1 to 2. Rule 6. Continuous improvement. Rule number 6 is continuous improvement. The Forex market evolves, and so should you. Keep a trading journal, review your trades, and learn from your mistakes. Adapt and refine your strategy over time to stay competitive. Rule 7. Stay informed. Rule number 7 is staying informed. Keep an eye on economic news and events that can impact currency prices. Being aware of geopolitical developments and economic indicators can help you make informed trading decisions. Rule 8. Avoid overtrading. Rule number 8 is to avoid overtrading. Don't trade for the sake of trading. Stick to your strategy and trade only when there's a clear opportunity. Overtrading can lead to exhaustion and poor decision-making. And there you have it, the basic rules for Forex trading success. Remember, success in Forex trading takes time, effort, and discipline. If you found this video helpful, join our Telegram group, link in the description for Forex help. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Forex Blaster for more valuable trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and happy trading!